Welcome to the video lecture series of the job role Plumber General for Class 10, Unit 5, performing various plumbing related operations and procedures. In this video, you will learn about repair of fixture cistern. Before we start repair of fixture cistern, student, do you know what is plumbing fixture? Plumbing fixture is a part that is connected to a plumbing system and carries water through a building. A fixture can be fixed into walls or the floor. Now we take plumbing fixtures in details so you can understand this topic very clearly. Any structure's plumbing can be a complicated system of pipes, fittings and access points. Water damage, corrosion and other sort of damage can result from a damaged or leaky faucet. So it's better to avoid these circumstances by contacting for aid as soon as a problem arises. When a problem within a plumbing fixtures or faucet emerges, trained plumbers can handle repairs, replacement or new model installation. Some fixtures such as cistern, tap, bathtub, bibcock and stop wall and many more. So now we take plumbing fixture cistern. Student, there is a question raised that what is cistern? So cistern is a container which is a tiny tank used to store water for flushing. It is located in the upper area of a toilet. Cisterns in toilets are also contain the necessary amount of water to flush the toilet bowl. Cisterns are large tanks that collect rainwater from impermeable surface and store it for household or commercial usage. Okay student, now we talk about repair of fixtures, especially cistern. Here is the procedure to be applied for repairing. As you know, water is stored in the cistern and if there is leakage in the cistern, the following step should be followed for repairing. First one, inspect the toilet. If water is not flushing, it means the flush is defective. There may be a broken connection between the flush handle and the flushing mechanism. Remove the cistern lid and carefully set it aside. Check all components and find the defective portions. Second one, repair the handle. Sometimes in the toilet cistern, the flush handle is loose and not connected to the other part. It may be due to a worn out connector. Thus, the handle gets dropped. We have to replace the damaged connector with the help of a wrench, open the nut holding and remove the handle stamps from the cistern and replace it with the same specification of handle stamp. After undertaking the repair work, test the flush while the lid remains off to make sure it works properly. Third one, replace the toilet siphon. If the toilet cistern flush handle is intact and working properly, the problem is likely to lie with the flush diaphragm, which is at the base of the toilet siphon. The toilet siphon is the largest section of the mechanism within the toilet in which water is drawn in and flushed out. There are some following points should be focused for proper management of cistern, like disconnect the water supply to the toilet and flush out the water until the cistern is empty. Once empty, locate the clips that hold the flush handle to the siphon and the siphon to the rear of the cistern. The entire mechanism can then be lifted out of the cistern to see all components. The entire toilet mechanism are available in the local market and can be purchased in a kit. Kit consists of all the components needed for replacement. Reassembling the mechanism is simply reversing the procedure used to disassemble it. After reconnecting all the fasteners and components, turn on the water supply and check the cistern by refilling the water. See if it is working properly. Now we look about float valve. A float monitors change in the liquid free surface height and opens or closes a valve in response. In home water system, a large number of small float valves are used. the level in the cold water header's tank is maintained by a float valve, which controls the pressure in the hot water system. Now, repair of float valve. The float valve is used to stop the level of water in the water tank or cistern of the toilet tank. There are following points. First one, open the tank. Second one, check the parts of the float valve. Third one, if the floating ball is punctured, replace with a new ball. Fourth one, if the rod of the float ball is bent, then straighten it or replace it. Fifth one, adjust the level of float ball for water level. Sixth one, check and test with off and on switch. So viewers, in this video, we have learned about cistern and float valve. The following important topics are covered are: first, meaning of plumbing fixtures; second, definition of cistern; third, repair of cistern; fourth, meaning of float valve; fifth one, repair of float valve. So student, see you in the next video. Till then, keep watching and enjoy learning. Thank you.